I ordered some brand new accessories on Amazon, ones I hadn't really seen before. Some of these are trending at the moment, as in like they're going viral, people are trying them out. Some of these hair accessories you'll probably know, especially if you were born in the 80s or 90s or before that. In this video, I thought it would be really fun to unbox what I bought. And we're going to try it out. I'm going to try it out for the first time on camera, see what we can do with these hair accessories. Maybe some of these will become new staples for me that I use every single day. Maybe some of them will just, I'll never wear again. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, the first thing I pulled out, these little clips. They're like sliding clips that clasp in your hair. And then they have these little kind of clips on top so that you can twist hair back into the clip and you can have this kind of like natural twist at the front. And I saw it and thought, wow, that could be so helpful and look really cute and just be a simple way to completely elevate a hairstyle for like a formal occasion or something. I've not tried them before, obviously, but you can kind of see here the demonstration look. I got a black one and a brown one, or this is more like tortoise shell kind of color. Let's try something with these clips and see what they look like. Okay, welcome to the voiceover. I thought I would go with the black clips. I think they blend in with my hair color a little bit more. I decided to use the smaller clip first just to test this out because I've never used it before. And I decided to do like a side part, and I made sure to bring a bit of hair forward in front of the clip so that I could have hair to clip into it. So you see those tiny little clips on top of the clip. I'm just twisting two bits of hair and then clipping them in like you see there. To be honest, I didn't think it looked that good, and it's because the grips on top of the clip weren't really pulling my hair enough, so they weren't tightening my hair enough for it to look good. So I decided to cross them, and I think it looked so much better. Very subtle style, but I think it looked really nice actually. And this did feel quite sturdy. I didn't feel like it was sliding anywhere. I was going to call this a fail initially, but I actually really like this. So let's try a bigger clip and see how this goes down. This is like a half updo. What I made sure to do was section a bit of hair off at the front, and then I sectioned the bottom of my hair out the way just so I could get that sliding clip in easily. And then I'm just taking 4 sections because there's 4 mini clips, and I'm clipping them in. Although you might have seen, but I did accidentally miss one and I doubled my hair in one of the other clips, but you couldn't really tell, it was okay. And I actually thought this was really pretty. I really liked this hairstyle. I felt like it might have been a bit unnecessary, as in I feel like I can achieve this style without that accessory. Like, I do find those mini clips a bit of a faff, especially with curly hair. I also tried it a bit further down, so kind of like a ponytail with this clip, and I actually thought this looked really pretty. Again, I really like the look of it, but it was a little bit of a faff. Okay. The next one we have is very similar to the previous accessory, but it is a headband, and this is the one that I searched for because I've seen this going viral. I'm not saying this is a brand new tool or anything. These have been around for so long, but I feel like they've made a comeback this year. We've got one brown and one black. Maybe the black's gonna suit the best, but yeah, let's style these and see what they look like and how easy are they to use. Okay, so I was so excited to try these hairbands. I just think they look so pretty on other people, and I really wanted to see how easy they were to use. And similarly to the last one we just did with the clips, I was just kind of parting away hair from the front and then twisting it back. To make it neater, you can kind of make a straight line, as you see there. I was just doing it with my nail, but you could be a bit more precise and use a comb. I did find it, again, a bit of a faff. Like, it did take quite a while. I just thought I'd refresh my hair a bit just to see like the full look, because my hair was getting a little frizzy. I just think though you can get other hairbands that do a similar thing where they kind of part the front of your hair, you know, like those zigzag hairbands. And they are so much easier to take out. Like, if you get bored of it, you can't just quickly take this out. You have to individually unclip each bit of hair. So I think it looks really nice, but I don't love it enough to use it regularly. This next one, I'm really excited about this. This is an XXL size claw clip. It says it's a claw grip that holds 100% more hair when compared to the standard 9cm claw grip. I have broken so many claw clips this year. This year my hair has got thicker, it's got denser, like I have more hair on my head for some reason, and my hair's got longer this year, so that could be why my claw clips have been breaking. But I was really excited to see this. This feels very sturdy. Okay. Oh, and it opens so wide. Frank's literally staring at me right now. I think he thinks this is a spider. That is gonna fit all my hair in. Let me show you compared to a regular claw clip. This is like a regular claw clip. Can you see how much wider this one opens? This just feels a lot sturdier as well than that one. In terms of length, it's not much different, but it's just a lot wider, and that's what I need help with, just more space for the hair. So I'm hoping that this is gonna work really well. I can't wait. Okay, as you can tell, I was very excited about this one. I thought I would start off by literally just doing the standard claw clip hairstyle. I normally always have to use a hair tie first because claw clips don't hold my hair, but I actually had extra room in that claw clip to fit more hair, and I was shocked. I was so happy with it, and it just locked in perfectly. Just absolutely obsessed with this. This has become my new staple since filming. Honestly, I love this clip so much. And of course, I did the shake test just to make sure it wasn't going anywhere. And yeah, nothing. It's staying there. Massive win. Love that accessory. I then thought I would try it in a half updo, and yes, perfect. It holds it so nicely. Looks so cute. I really want to see if they've got other colours. I haven't checked yet. I would love this in a black colour as well. Okay, let's see what we have got. What is that kind of my hair colour? So I have seen people style these recently, but it's just this hair plait, like in a headband. The only thing I'm just kind of now realizing is that it's very obvious that this is straight hair. This is synthetic hair. I don't think it's gonna blend enough with my hair. It's just this plait basically. I'll do my best and see what we can do with this. As you can see from my face, I was really skeptical before I put this on, but then I actually thought it wasn't too bad. It kind of blended in. It's definitely a shade darker, and I don't think it looks like my hair, but it looks all right, you know? And then I thought, could we maybe tie it around a ponytail? No. It's okay. I just don't think it's my cup of tea, and I'm not sure if I'll wear that again, to be honest. Okay, I forgot I actually ordered another similar looking one. Oh no, that's not my hair colour. I'm not sure about this one. Oh, this could have been quite cute, I think, if it was my hair colour. It's similar to the previous one. Oh wait, does it match? I think it actually matches my ends quite well. The same thing as the one before, but it's got the grip on the inside. Let's see if we can do anything with this, but I think this one might be a fail just because of the hair color. But if it was a perfect match, that could have been really cute. Guys, my face says it all, doesn't it? I mean, why am I even trying it on? I already know it's not gonna look good. It's just too light. I think I actually would have liked this one though if it did match my hair. If you're thinking this is a fail, just wait, because some of my favorites are coming up in the rest of this video. These were the worst by far. Okay, I am excited about these actually. These are hairpins. So we have this standard one for stems, 5. These two, actually, this one's bigger. Then we have this one, which has got more stems. I don't know if that's the right word. And this one, it looks amazing. However, I'm not that keen on the ends. They're just a bit hard. You know, when you sometimes get a bobby pin that's slightly broken on the end and you put it in your hair and it's like, kind of scratches. I'm a little bit worried about that. Always wanted to try a hairstyle with these pins in. I think they look so elegant. I've mostly seen people use them on straight hair, not really curly. Let's try them out. So I may not be using these in the traditional way. I wasn't 100% sure how to use them, but I just twisted my hair up like so, and then I slid the large clip into the front of that little bun. And I thought I would put the 4-stem clip underneath just to completely secure it. That was so easy, and I thought it looked so cute. It's kind of like a claw clip hairstyle, but it's completely flat, and you can lean back and it doesn't hurt. And I found them very easy to take out, so win, to be honest. I really liked that. Then I thought I would try a different type of style. I guess more along the lines of a French twist. This wasn't one, but it was like the same family as that, put it that way. But then I decided that wasn't secure enough, so I decided to put the same clip underneath it slightly to lock it in a little bit more. I pulled the bun out a bit, and I actually thought this looks so pretty. It's so elegant. I don't know what you would call this. I guess it's sort of a French twist, kind of not. I really loved it. Definitely a win. You can do so many things with these pins. Okay. These are much smaller than they look on Amazon. They feel really strong. I just wish they were a bit bigger. I do remember there were measurements on there, but I didn't pay attention. I should have. I think they're sliding jaw clips, and they're just flatter than your standard claw clip. I actually have shown one. I already have one that I really love from Boots, and I've shared it in a hairstyle video before. It's just a cute little design here, and I got a brown and a black one. I'm not going to be able to get all my hair up in that though, but maybe we can do a half updo with these. I'll show you in comparison to the big claw clip. You can see, yeah, let's see what we can do with these. I love how sturdy they are, but just might be a little bit small. So at first I thought this was going to be a fail, and to be honest, it started off as a fail. I desperately tried to get this clip in just standard like you see here, just to cinch in that top layer of hair, but it was too small and I was a bit frustrated. So then I thought, okay, let's try something a bit different. So I twisted that top layer all around, similarly to the last hairstyle with the pin, but then I just locked this in underneath the bun and it came out so beautifully. Honestly, one of my favorite out of the video so far. I really like this hairstyle and I'll definitely be wearing it again. I think this would be so cute for work. Really like the design on this. And then I thought this would be really cute if you just put it above your ponytail, just on top of the hairband. And I absolutely loved this and just thought this is a really easy way to just elevate a standard ponytail. I wanted to see if I could try and use this in an updo, but I knew the clip wasn't going to keep my hair up, so I decided to use a hairband to kind of lock this little bun you see in place. I just pulled it out a bit and then I put the clip in halfway, and then I kind of tucked that remaining hair under the clip, and I thought it looked so pretty. I thought the brown clip showed up a bit more in my hair than the black, but yeah, I love it and I'll definitely be wearing all of these hairstyles regularly. Okay, we have one more, guys. Okay, these are like a combination of sort of banana clip. I don't even know how to describe these, to be honest. Let me just show you. So, how interesting is this? These can go around the hair and then you can grip in like that, so it can hold in a bun, I believe, or some kind of updo. And I got a black one. This is the brown. It does stretch quite far, but when you go in with the clips, it's a bit more limited. Obviously, you have to go in to lock the hair in place. Just from initial inspection, these feel a bit flimsy. I feel like I could easily break that. Let's see what we can do with these. Honestly, when I made this order, these were the ones I was most excited about, but still to this day, I'm not 100% sure how to use them. I clipped my hair at the top just temporarily, and I pulled this bit of hair out a bit to make it look a bit thicker. And then I just could not work out how to put the clip in, which way round. I eventually worked it out. I thought I would leave this in to just show my thought process, but basically I clipped it in and then wrapped it around and clipped it in the other side, as you see there. The only way I can articulate which way to put this into you is basically the curved side faces where you see the Sophie Marie sign. The curved side faces that way into my hair. I really hope that makes sense. Even after doing it once, I actually tried another time to see if I got it, and I struggled again. And then I was just letting the hair fall down. So I decided to put bobby pins in the top, and then I thought it looked really nice and it was very sturdy. Okay, I thought this was not going to come out very easily, but look how easy it came out. There were no cuts there. It came out so easy. So yeah, after I worked out how to get it in and then I added in the extra bobby pins and things, I thought it looked really nice. Genuinely would love to wear that again. But I don't know if it's worth the effort when, for example, I found that claw clip and these other little accessories where I can have a similar style and it's a lot easier to put in. So I'm not 100% sure and I may use it again, but it was a bit of a faff. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, something a little bit different. I really had fun trying out these new hair accessories. There are definitely some I prefer more than others, but I knew I wasn't gonna love all of them. I will link everything that I bought in the description. They are all from Amazon, but you probably can find these on other websites as well. If you like the video, make sure to like it and subscribe if you want to see more curly content from me. And I will see you next week. Bye.